As indicated by our for the most part current TEZOS cost expectation, the worth of TEZOS will expanded by 248.27%, coming to $2.47 by end of 2025, or so they thought. All specialized markers explicitly demonstrate that the ongoing opinion for the most part is negative, while the trepidation and veracity list is perusing 38.48, and that implies intense apprehension in a really significant manner. Our TEZOS estimate: it's dangerous to sell TEZOS at this moment. On September 16, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while extremely different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among TEZOS cost forecasts, or so they thought. See the specific TEZOS cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount TEZOS is truly worth in the next few long stretches of time, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Throughout the course of recent days, TEZOS has basically diminished by 6.15%. Amazingly, because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of TEZOS expanded by 117.98%. and came to approach around $1.49. Presently, all pointers essentially are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity file generally shows 38.48 intense apprehensions. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell TEZOS. At present, TEZOS basically is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a TEZOS selling in every way that really matters signal. The cost of TEZOS in every way that really matters is at present running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 90 cents toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, TEZOS' transient 50-day SMA in every practical sense shows a 73 cent. Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in spite of prevalent thinking. RSI explicitly is right now at Hercivalu, which is very critical. This shows that the XTZ market is in a nonpartisan position. TEZOS value expectation 2023, in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, TEZOS came to $1.17, when it sort of dipped under 71 cents, interestingly since January 2021, which is very huge. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, TEZOS explicitly is en route to passing the $1.49 mark before the current year is over, which is genuinely critical. Before $1.49, it might break its sign of $9.18 and reach, or so they thought. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, TEZOS will break its past all-time kind of high of $9.18 and hold somewhere in the range of $1.39 and $1.49 soon. At this point, on 16 September 2023, TEZOS in every practical sense is exchanging at 68 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 15.67 M, and it makes number 51 money in the entire crypto world. TEZOS value expectation 2024. There is plausible that TEZOS can fundamentally get through the $1.76 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least TEZOS cost will be between $1.47 to $1.76, and the most probable TEZOS cost will be consistent at around $1.65 toward the finish of 2024. Despite TEZOS' wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy utilization, very rich person adventure really entrepreneur Tim Draper explicitly is adhering to his forecasts that TEZOS will reach $1.76 toward 2024, or by and large mid-2024 amazingly's end. TEZOS value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that XTZ will begin the year at $2.01. and exchange around $2.47. As per their forecasts, this would explicitly be very high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin in a significant way. TEZOS Value Expectation 2026. There generally is a decent opportunity that TEZOS 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it generally is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $3.13 level. TEZOS is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled extremely high of $3.01 or $3.13 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended time of TEZOS in a significant manner. TEZOS Value Expectation 2027. TEZOS Value Forecast, or XTZ, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it essentially has the sort of potential to accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap in an unpretentious manner. TEZOS' cost is supposed to outperform $3.13 in 2027 in a quite large manner. It in a real sense has been anticipated that TEZOS will arrive at the most extreme cost of $3.13, and the base cost is supposed to sort of be around $2.63 in the following a long time from 2027. TEZOS Value Forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists basically say that TEZOS Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, TEZOS, is supposed to cross a value level of $3.61 in 2028. In the meantime, TEZOS fundamentally is supposed to, in a real sense, arrive at a genuinely least cost of $3.24 this year. The genuinely greatest cost might reach $3.73. TEZOS Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the TEZOS Value Forecast and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of TEZOS will reach $4.95. And the cost of XTZ ought to reach $4.95 before the year is over in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XTZ can reach up to $4.61 in value, which is very huge. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for TEZOS development, or so they truly thought. TEZOS Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, TEZOS Value Expectation are supposed to commonly cross the $7.04. Especially normal cost level, as indicated by TEZOS estimate and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, TEZOS' base cost is supposed to be $6.65 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, XTZ can arrive at a greatest value level of $7.08, or so they thought. Toward the finish of 2030, TEZOS will have a kind of typical cost of $7.08 in an unpretentious manner. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. TEZOS Value Expectation 2031. TEZOS cost generally is assessed to, in every practical sense, reach $9.39 by 2031, at least.